In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Salesforce CLI on Windows. If you're new to Salesforce development or need a reliable way to work with orgs, metadata, and automation from your computer, the Salesforce command line interface is a must-have. I'll walk you through the process step by step in a clear, safe, and simple way so you can get it installed with confidence. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for the exact phrase Salesforce CLI. This helps you find the official download quickly. On the results page, look for the official Salesforce link. It should clearly show it's from Salesforce's own site. Avoid third-party download sites and sponsored ads to keep things secure and up to date. Once you're on the official page, you'll see options to download the CLI for different operating systems. Since we're on Windows, choose the Windows option. This ensures you get the installer that's designed for your machine and avoids compatibility issues. Next, you'll be asked to choose between x64 and x86. For most modern Windows computers, x64 is the right choice, and it's the recommended option to try first. If, for any reason, the x64 installer doesn't run properly on your system, you can go back and download the x86 version instead. That fallback is there specifically to help with older or more restrictive setups. After you make your choice, the download should begin automatically. If your browser asks for permission to keep or save the file, confirm the download. When it finishes, click the downloaded file to launch the installer. Windows may prompt you to confirm that you want to allow the app to make changes. Select Yes to continue. If you're on a work or school computer, you might need administrator permission. From here, continue with the standard installation process. The setup wizard will guide you through the steps, such as reviewing the license agreement and choosing an install location. In most cases, the defaults are perfectly fine, so you can just proceed by clicking Next and then Install. The installation may take a moment as files are copied and configured. When it completes, click Finish to close the installer. That's it. You've downloaded the official installer, selected the right Windows build, and walked through the installation wizard. If x64 didn't work for your setup, remember you can repeat the process with the x86 option. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough disk space to avoid interruptions. With the Salesforce CLI installed, you're ready to streamline your development workflow right from your Windows machine. Thanks for watching, and take your time to follow each step for a smooth setup.